Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Today is January 29, 2026. And Mommy, last day with us. And we're all happy that we know that we have given her the best of the best. That we can give a mother who's been very supportive. My inspiration is not for her, wala akong bagay. It's not for her, wala akong mga anak na matitino. Because she really guides me, my inspiration. One thing I remember kung ano siya, I'm just sharing naman sa ganyan. I'll take this opportunity. First of all, to thank all of you for coming here. We are so happy and we appreciate your presence and support. And I know you love Mommy. And you've been a part of Mommy. Going back to my speech, sabi ko, si Mommy ko, when she left for Canada, sabi niya, oh, ikaw lang ang maiiwan dito. Are you sure you're gonna stay? Mommy, ayaw ko maghugas ng plato at magluto. Sabi ko, hindi ako marunong magluto. I'll stay with my husband here in the Philippines dahil marami siyang pera. So I decided to stay. We're going back, going to Canada because we will have a hard time to start again, di ba? So, yun ang story. Tapos, nung umuwi na siya, sabi niya gano'n, I visited her in Canada. Sabi niya, "Nak, I'm not going back to the Philippines, not unless you have your own house." I put that in my mind. Sabi ko, I will not see my mommy sa Pilipinas because napansin niya, we are just comfortable, staying with my in-laws, libre bahay, libre kain, libre kuryente, libre lahat. Di ba? Very comfortable lifestyle. So, ako, sabi ko, I want her to come back and I really work hard para put up a house. Talagang sabi ko, Ma, we're coming back next year. I'll make it a point that you will have a new room in my house. And that's one. Without Mommy, hindi na ako inspired. Hindi ako magkapabahay ng kundi lang. Nagulat niya ako. Kasi ang Mommy ko, ang isang bagay sa kanya, always go big. Kaya nag-turn niya sa akin, Mommy, ang gagawin natin ito. Dito ba bibili ko? Go big! Bandi, go big, di ba? Bandi, 100 grade dapat, di ba? When we do something, I have a friend here, long time friend, Bandi Del Mundo. May natutunan ako dyan eh. I always get points sa mga friends ko kung may mga naaalala ko. Bandi. Ito ang aking friend na hindi sa kanya. Talagang inspired ako sa pharmaceutical. Diyan na ng idol ko. So, yun ang naman mga go big. Kaya kami, ko Mami, nasundan. Ang katawan namin, big na ngayon. Jokingly aside. So, ang dami inspiration naman. May number one. Talagang at the age of 49, na byuda siya. May magtrabaho, just to work. And then, ang gusto niya, lahat kami maganda. I remember, kahit sa kuha, hindi pa uso ukay-ukay. Meron ng ukay-ukay yung mami ko. Diyan niya bumibili ng damit ko, ng matan ko. Kasi ang ganda ko na bihisan. Ukay-ukay na, imagine, during the time, di pa uso. So, ang mami, she really likes parties. She wants to dress up. She wants to siya na maayos siya lagi. Kaya, yan ang pinahan namin magkakapit. Tayo ka magic. Tayo ka ola. Yan ang aming mga nakikaya. Go big. So, ang mga cousins ko, they know, Mommy, lagi nag-sermon. Huwag niyo makakalataan naman ang bulsa niyo. Then, mamatay sila sa suspension. May pera pa tayo. Alam mo, wala na akong pera doon, pero tayo, face value na lang. Sabi ko, ma, wala tayong problema dyan, face value. Locally account. So, Mommy, Father, thank you for the mass agenda. And I'm so happy na Mommy really deserves the best. We really try to give her the bongga tea na gusto niya nakapili siya. Oh, si Mahalis ka, it's okay, Mahal. So, ang importante sa amin, Mami, we will keep our family together. Ibang klase kami pinatay ng mami ko. We are really so supportive and loving family. My brother, sabi, mahal na mahal ko, ang kuya ko. By the way, it's a birthday of my brother.
Happy birthday!
Kuya, birthday ko, it's okay, celebration go. You will always remember si Mami with us. Na, don't cry. So, with that, Mami, I hope you're happy. We promise to be together and help each other, support each other in any way. And make this family yung iniwan mong legacy with 5 siblings, 14 apo, and 32 great-grandchildren. Ay, 31 great-grandchildren. So, ang mga apo, lahat ng apo ko, mga malaki ko, kayo.
Opo, tayo raw.
Ito mga papa, you have to work hard, study, so you can visit all our relatives in Canada. Magastos mo grabe. So you need to work and study, okay? We will always visit our relatives and be one. Okay? Continue the legacy that your mommy wants. She wants us to be together, happy, help each other. Family, friends, loving. Loving is sharing, right? Okay? So with that, thank you so much again. After this, pagka-gawin namin kayo sa kanyang, and makus na pala, kami will be very happy na kami niya ng daddy ko. Nasabi na talagang si promise, she told me, if I die in Canada, please remain me and bring me back to your daddy. And this is what we try to do for her. Natupad na ang promise namin sa kanya that she will be together with daddy after 50 years. So, diba? So, nothing less, wala na kami siguro, we just have to continue yung family band natin, so, thank you so much from the bottom of our heart for coming here. And we love you all. Thank you.
Thank you! Mami.
So after this mass, we're going to have a farewell and a blessing. Then after the blessing, then we have a short walk. Is it 2 minutes?
Yes, very short.
Just for 2 minutes. And we will bring her to the final resting place. Okay?
And then, Father, just to add po, after we have lunch, reception, and Max Sukat just across.